November 2025. The days are getting shorter, and the chill in the air is unmistakable. It's that time of year when the world outside starts to slow down, and we begin to turn our attention inward, to the warmth and comfort of home. The air is crisp, and winter is knocking. You can feel it in the way your breath hangs in the morning air, and see it in the frost that coats the trees and rooftops. The landscape is transforming, and so should your approach to daily life. That chill in the morning? It's your reminder, summer's over and it's time to get ready. The carefree days of grabbing fresh produce on a whim are behind us. Now it's about planning ahead, thinking strategically, and making sure your home is ready for whatever winter throws your way. Now is the moment for a pantry plan. This isn't just about food, it's about peace of mind. A well-thought-out pantry means you're prepared for snow days, power outages, and those times when leaving the house just isn't an option. When the first blizzard hits, you don't want to be fighting for the last can of beans at the store. Preparation isn't paranoia, it's smart. We've all seen how quickly shelves empty when a storm is on the horizon. Why not avoid the rush and the stress? Your pantry is your home's command center in winter. It's where you'll find the ingredients for hearty meals, snacks for snow days, and the supplies that keep your family comfortable and safe. A well-stocked pantry means a cozy snow day, not a stressful emergency. Imagine sipping hot cocoa while the snow falls, knowing you have everything you need right at your fingertips. This isn't about hoarding, it's about thoughtful provisioning. It's about making sure you have enough to get through a week or two without worry, and that your meals are nourishing and enjoyable, even when the weather outside is frightful. The window to prepare is closing fast. Every day you wait, the risk of being caught off guard grows. Don't let time slip away. Start now, while you have options. Right now, stores are calm and shelves are full. That changes the moment a storm is forecast. Suddenly, everyone is scrambling for the same essentials, and the sense of urgency is palpable. Essentials vanish quickly: milk, bread, canned goods, batteries. The basics you take for granted can disappear in hours, leaving you with limited choices and long lines. By preparing now, you avoid the chaos and stay comfortable at home. You can focus on what matters: spending time with loved ones, staying warm, and enjoying the season. This is about building a fortress of comfort and security for your family. It's about creating a space where everyone feels safe, cared for, and well-fed, no matter what's happening outside. Over the next sections, we'll break down what you need, why you need it, and how to organize it. We'll cover everything from staple foods to emergency supplies and share tips for keeping your pantry efficient and accessible. We'll turn your pantry into a strategic winter reserve, a place that gives you confidence and control no matter what the forecast says. Your mission: create a haven of warmth, good food, and peace of mind all winter long. Let's get stocking. Ready? Let's dive in. Winter brings more than snow. It disrupts supply chains. A blizzard can shut down highways, leaving grocery shelves empty in days. Relying on stores during a storm is a risky gamble. Prices spike when supplies run low, so stocking up now locks in today's prices. Cold and flu season means you don't want to run out for sick day essentials. A prepared pantry lets you focus on recovery, not last-minute shopping. Power outages can turn your kitchen into a cold, dark box. You need food that doesn't require cooking or refrigeration. Preparation now means you're not left hungry or scrambling in the dark. Let's make sure you're ready for anything winter throws your way. 11. The anxiety before a storm is real. You can feel it in the air, the uncertainty, the worry about what's coming, and the urge to check the weather forecast one more time. It's natural to feel unsettled as the sky darkens and the wind picks up, especially when you're responsible for your loved one's safety. But preparation is the cure. Taking action, even small steps, helps transform that anxiety into a sense of control. Making a checklist, organizing your pantry, and gathering supplies are all ways to channel nervous energy into something productive. A stocked pantry, water, and working flashlights replace fear with calm. Knowing you have what you need on hand means you're ready for whatever the storm brings. and you can focus on keeping your family comfortable. When the power goes out, you know where everything is and have meals ready. There's no frantic searching in the dark, no last-minute panic, just a sense of order and readiness. Instead of chaos, your home becomes a cozy retreat. The storm outside becomes an opportunity to slow down, play games, share stories, and enjoy simple comforts together. This peace of mind is a gift to your future self. You'll be grateful for the effort you put in, knowing you've created a safe haven for your family. After the storm, roads may be blocked and stores empty. The world outside might be chaotic, but inside, you're secure and well supplied. Because you're prepared, you can stay home and safe until things return to normal. There's no need to risk travel or brave the elements for essentials. Your calm helps ease the burden on emergency services and your community. Preparedness is self-reliance, but it's also about being able to help others, checking on neighbors, sharing supplies, and supporting each other through tough times. And above all, it's care for your family. The warmth and security you provide will be remembered long after the storm has passed. It turns a simple chore into a meaningful act of love and responsibility. Every can, every blanket, every flashlight is a promise of safety. It's not about fearing the worst, but planning for the best outcome. Preparation is hope in action, and it brings families closer together. The security of a full pantry is one of winter's greatest comforts. It's a quiet reassurance that you're ready for whatever comes your way. Let's build that comfort together, one thoughtful step at a time. The backbone of your winter pantry: canned goods, stock of variety, vegetables, fruits and juice, proteins like tuna and chicken, and hearty soups or chili. Dry goods are next: pasta, rice, quinoa, oats, and dried beans. These staples form the base of countless meals. Don't forget flavor bouillon, dried herbs, spices, and shelf-stable condiments. Oils and jars of sauce or salsa keep meals interesting. Long-term reserves like flour, sugar, salt, powdered milk, and honey provide security. These deep storage items last for years and are invaluable in a pinch. A well-stocked pantry is your first line of defense against winter's surprises. Let's make sure your shelves are ready for anything. 11. A prepared pantry is about comfort, not just survival. Stock up on hot cocoa, coffee, tea, and your favorite snacks. Peanut butter, crackers, and popcorn boost morale on dreary days. Baking essentials: flour, sugar, yeast, spices turn snow days into celebrations. During power outages, ready-to-eat foods are crucial. Protein bars, fruit cups, cereal, and jerky. Have a stash of no-cook options for emergencies. If you can safely use a camp stove or grill, keep fuel on hand for hot meals. The ability to make a warm drink or meal during an outage is a huge psychological boost. Comfort food and emergency food both matter in winter. 10. Water is even more critical than food, especially during emergencies when access to clean water can be disrupted. Without enough water, dehydration can set in quickly, making it difficult to stay healthy and alert. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day for a week, but if you have pets or expect extra needs, plan for more. This ensures everyone in your household has enough to drink, cook, and clean. Keep bottled water in a cool, dark place where it won't freeze or get too warm. Sunlight and heat can break down plastic and spoil your supply, so choose your storage spot carefully. If a storm is coming and you expect power outages, fill bathtubs or large pots with water for washing, flushing toilets, or cleaning. This non-drinking water can be a lifesaver when the taps stop running. When the power goes out, having reliable light is essential for safety and comfort. Darkness can make it hard to move around, prepare food, or even find your supplies. Have flashlights, headlamps, and battery-powered lanterns ready, plus extra batteries for each. Consider keeping a light source in every major room so you're never left in the dark. For warmth, close off unused rooms to conserve heat, insulate windows with towels or plastic, and dress in layers. Staying warm is vital to prevent hypothermia, especially if the heat is out for a long time. Extra blankets and sleeping bags are must-haves. They help everyone stay cozy through the night and can be shared if someone gets especially cold. Never use outdoor grills or ovens for heat. Carbon monoxide is deadly and invisible. Always keep these appliances outside and never bring them indoors, no matter how cold it gets. If you have a fireplace or a safe indoor heater, keep it maintained and stocked with fuel. Make sure you know how to use it safely before an emergency strikes. Always have working carbon monoxide detectors with battery backup. Test them regularly to make sure they're ready to alert you if there's a problem. Water, light, and warmth, these are your winter survival trio. Prepare ahead, and you'll be ready to weather any storm that comes your way. Winter prep includes health and safety for everyone in your home. Keep a 2-week supply of prescription meds and a well-stocked first aid kit. Include pain relievers, allergy meds, and basic wound care supplies. Don't forget your pets. Store 2 weeks of food and water for them, plus any meds. For infants, have formula, diapers, and wipes ready. For elderly family, plan for dietary needs and backup power for medical equipment. Thinking ahead for everyone's needs is key to true preparedness. Your whole household deserves to be safe and comfortable. 9. An organized pantry is a powerful tool. Do a fall audit, empty shelves, check dates, and clean. Sort items into keep, use soon, and toss piles. Practice first in, first out. Use older items first. Group similar foods together for easy access. Use bins and labels to keep things tidy. Make a shopping list based on what you're missing. This system saves time, money, and stress when a storm hits. Organization turns chaos into confidence. 10. Winter prep is more than a checklist. It's a mindset. Every can and battery is an investment in your family's well-being. Preparedness builds stronger, more resilient communities. Use a checklist to break the task into manageable steps. Involve your family. Make it a seasonal ritual. Teach kids the value of being ready, not scared. When preparedness is routine, it brings comfort, not anxiety. It's a lesson in responsibility and peace of mind. This winter, let your pantry be a source of comfort and confidence. 10.